Hello friends, you are watching my online teaching channel Inspiring Tuition Center. This is Sheikh Zahur Mehdi. In this lecture, we will discuss about rectangle, its properties, and how can we find out the perimeter of rectangle, and as well as the area of rectangle, and some basic information about the perimeter and rectangles. So here is the definition of rectangle. That the parallelogram, one of whose angle is right angle, is called the rectangle. In other words, I can tell you that rectangle has four sides and two opposite sides are always equal. Say suppose this is the A and this is the B and this is the C and this is finally D. There are four sides. Now this sides must be equal to this side and this side will be equal to this side. This is the nature of rectangle. In Sindhi or Urdu we call it mustatil. Mean rectangle always equal to the two whose two opposite sides are always pair side is equal. So moreover, the properties of rectangle, both pair of opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Which I earlier told you. This is the figure of rectangle, you can say, and we used to write ABCD. Mean AB always equal to the CD, so both side, and BC is equal to AD. Here is a diagonal. I have intersect between the B into D and A into C. So the sole purpose to intersect these sides and this to intersect this rectangle mean to tell you that intersect is always mean bisect. It bisect when we intersect the rectangle, it bisect, and it is always the diagonal are always equal of the rectangle. When we are saying that a rectangle has always the diagonals are equals. Moreover, the perimeter of rectangle mean the whole size of a rectangle. Say suppose from A to D, what is the whole length of the perimeter? So we can use the formula 2 length into width. Say suppose this side is 2 and this side is will be the same 2 and this side is 5. Then you can use the data that 2 length into width mean 2, 5 into 2, then 5 plus 2 will be the 7, and 7 into 2, 2 into 7 will be 14. So this will be the perimeter of a rectangle. Now we are practically trying to learn about the area of a rectangle. So go through it. For example, here is practice. Okay, if a length of rectangle region is 13 meter and width is 9 meter, then find its area. There is some there is a some kind of rectangular shape or rectangle. Its region is 13 meter and its width is 9 meter. Mean its length is 13 meter and width is 9 meter. Then we have to find out the area, and it's very easy to find out the area of the rectangle. We use the formula length into width. Mean there would be the multiplication of two sides, either length and also with the width. So length is 13 and width is 9 meter. It's very easy. You just have to multiply 9 into 13. It would be 117 meter. But here we have written meter square because like 13 meter and 9 meter. So m into m will be m square. Okay, and let's have a look into the other example. The length of rectangular region is double its breadth, find its length if its area is 32 meters. This question is very critical. Here we do not have to find out the area is given. We have to find out something else, like breadth. So let's have a look. Let's break with x. Suppose that our breadth is x, then so length is 2x. We know the length, but we do not know the breadth. Given 2x square, x into x will be the x square, is equal to 32. How we find out? Then x square is equal to 16. We use the power formula, right? And the square of 16 will be 4, right? So length is 2 into 4, and 2 into 4 is equal to 8 meter. We understand that its length is 8 meter. So it was all about rectangle. If you have any query regarding today's lecture, must ask so that we can understand. Thank you for watching online channel.